What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track new YouTube videos with custom search criteria and save those videos to a Google spreadsheet. Let's get started. To set up this simple automation, we are going to search for YouTube, and then click on YouTube. Here, we will choose a trigger. Our trigger is going to be watch videos by search. Here, you will create a connection between YouTube and your Make account. So to create a connection, just click on Add. Here, you can rename your connection. You'll say yes, that you understand and accept YouTube terms of service and Google privacy policy, and then click on Sign in with Google. Here, you'll choose an account that you'd like to sign in with Google. After creating your connection, you will need to choose where to start. So you can choose to start from now, or specify a specific date, or you can choose to start from searching all the videos on that specific topic, or you can choose manually. Here, I'll choose to start from all the videos and then click on OK. To customize our module, here we'll need to specify the video search query. So for example, I run an automation agency. So here we can search for automation as our search query. The video category ID here we'll search for how-to style. And we want videos published before yesterday and after, let's say, a few months ago. So let's say maybe the 1st of March. You can set our limit as 5 and then click on OK. Now, to check if our module works perfectly, we will run it. You can see it ran successfully. And over here, we have 5 videos that talk about automation. You can see the title and the description of the video. You're also getting the thumbnail, channel title, publish time, and live broadcast content, similar to the second video, the third video, the fourth video, and the fifth video. Now that we have our videos talking about a specific topic, as you can see over here, we are getting videos that were published 4 years ago. You can choose when to start, so you can choose to start from now, and every single video that will be published from now on the topic of automation, you will get that video on a Google spreadsheet. You can also choose a specific date, for example, from the 1st of January 2024 to the last day of June, and all those videos that have been created and posted on the topic of automation, you'll get all those videos on a Google spreadsheet. Since we are choosing all, that's why we are getting videos from 4 years ago. Now that we have our videos, we can add our videos to a Google spreadsheet. So here I'll add a module and then search for Google spreadsheet and then click on add a row. I've created a Google spreadsheet right here called YouTube video database. So here I'll select by path and then choose on drive. And now on the spreadsheet ID, I'll search for my Google spreadsheet and then click on YouTube video database. For the sheet name is sheet 1. Now here we can choose the details that we would like to add to our Google spreadsheet. So the first one will be the video ID. You can add the channel ID, the title, description, the channel title, and the published art. Let's say the published time. So here we can add those columns right here. So the first one will be the video ID. You can choose to customize our font and add it as the center. The second one is the channel ID. The other one is the title, description, channel title, and the published time. All these ones I'll choose the font. You can also make them to be bold and then center them. Now we have our columns right here. Now here to refresh, I'll just refresh our spreadsheet, and now we have the video ID, the channel ID, title, description, channel title, and publish time that we can add to our spreadsheet. So for the video ID, choose the video ID, channel ID, choose the channel ID, the title, choose the title, description, I'll choose the description, channel title, I'll choose the channel title, and then publish time, I'll choose the publish time, then click on OK. To add our videos to our Google spreadsheet, we will first of all choose where to start. And we cannot choose from now since there are no videos that have been posted on the topic of automation from now. So I'll choose all. You can choose a specific date or choose manually. Choosing manually, you can choose to add all these videos to a Google spreadsheet. But if you want all the videos on the topic of automation, all you have to do is just click on all and then click on OK. Now, to add the video to a Google spreadsheet, all you have to do is just click on run and automation will begin running. And it will add 5 videos on the topic of automation to our Google spreadsheet. So when we go back to our Google spreadsheet, we'll see all the videos right here. Let me customize the videos the right way. You can reduce the fonts. You can also here. Now to access the new videos, all you have to do is choose when to start and then click on from now and then click on OK and then turn these to on. Now every single video on the topic of automation that any creator puts out, that video will be added straight to our Google spreadsheet right here with the video ID, the channel ID, the title description, the channel title, and the publish time. Using this automation, you can track new YouTube videos on a particular topic and save those videos to your Google spreadsheet just by setting up the simple automation. To get the actual URL of the specific video on your scenario, here it says video ID. You'll paste this URL right here, http://youtube.com/watch, then question mark, then v equals video ID, then click on OK. Now when we choose to start from all, and then click on OK, and now run our scenario again, see we have 5 new videos that are added to our Google spreadsheet. And now instead of the video ID, we have the URL to the videos. So we can delete the previous ones, if it's like this, and rename this to video URL instead of video ID. Now you have the video URL, the channel ID, the title, description, channel title, and the publish time of the video. That was a quick video showing you a simple make.com automation you can set up right now and track new videos with custom search criteria and save those videos to a Google spreadsheet. So here we are getting the video URL, the specific video. We're also getting the channel ID, the title of the video, the description of the specific video, the channel of the specific video, and the publish time just by setting up this simple automation on make.com. So that's how you can track new YouTube videos with a custom search criteria and save the videos on our Google spreadsheet just by setting up this automation. If you have any automation in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. And if I find your comment intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how you can create that automation from scratch. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.